If you're on Pop! OS, you've probably noticed that PopShop can be slow or even freeze. Many users complain that it takes too long to load, or sometimes becomes unresponsive. This is frustrating when all you want is to quickly install an app. Cosmic Store solves that problem. It's built in Rust. It uses efficient caching and parallel searches. That means it loads instantly, and searches feel smooth and responsive. Let me show you how to replace PopShop with Cosmic Store on Pop! OS. First, we remove PopShop. Then we update the package list. Finally, we install Cosmic Store. You'll see the commands on your screen right now. Once installed, open Cosmic Store. You'll notice it starts almost instantly. Search for any app, and the results appear quickly. No more waiting around like with PopShop. So, if you want a better app store for Linux, try Cosmic Store on Pop! OS. It's faster, lighter, and simply works. Tell me in the comments which store you prefer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tips.